So I got a request for an updo for shorter hair, and I did one on, this is Jenny, Jenny. And I did one on her this morning, but it was too complicated. I don't think anybody would want to try to repeat it. So I'm going to do a look on Jenny, and I'm going to make it beginner friendly. A quick updo that'll look good for, look like you spent a lot of time getting it that way. Make it look more complicated than it actually is. Let's begin. This morning I curled her hair on a skinny curling wand to give her texture, and I'm not going to curl it this time. I'm going to make this as easy as possible. I have her a deep part. Let's say you're getting married, and let's put the hair, the complicated part, the fixed part, the decorative part on this side, so that the audience can see, the guests can see the hairdo. All right, I'm going to section out the hair from behind the ears, forward, the crown, and the sides, like this. See? I'm going to take this section, this is the crown. We'll take that, rake through it with my fingers. She's going to have a textured hairdo. Like I said, I'm going to try to make this easy so that you can reproduce this, so you can do this yourself. Okay. So I have a little black elastic. I'm going to put that on this section here. Her hair is not very contrasty, so it's kind of tough to see what I'm doing. But hopefully y'all can see better than what it looks like you can in the viewfinder there, in the monitor. Okay, so there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and you hold the ponytail and you pinch out some pieces like that. Okay, and then I'm going to pin this up, the ponytail up, and I'm going to pull the rest of the back. I'm leaving the sides out still, see? Pull the rest of the back down. And I'm going to pull it down to the nape of the neck. So however much you have, pull it down low. This is going to be a low do. Okay, so I'm going to take the rest of this. I got another black elastic because she's got dark hair. I have clear ones for the blonde. So we're going to bring this down low. You don't have to have this much ponytail for this. And then I'm going to twist it up like this. And pin it. Okay, you know how I know her name's Jenny? Because it says it right there. Okay, I'm gonna have her look down so that I can. And I don't open the pins, I just stick them in. All right, that part's secure. Now I'm gonna let this part down. Pinched out a little bit more. I'm going to take some of this. This mannequin is enough to make me want to have a fit. Okay, I'm going to take half of this hair and pull it around. I'm not going to pull it too tight because I want it to blend with that. Actually, I want this down a little lower. Okay. I'm going to bring this across there. I'm going to put the pin with the long end to the back. Like this. Turn it. Flip it in. I know you can't see. There. Now I'm going to take some of this from this side. I'm going to make it blend in with what we got there. Take some of this. She's going to have a little twisty-do on this side. Here's how you do this. You divide it in half and you bring it around. You walk around with it. And you secure it right in there like that. Oh! She doesn't stay on the thing. And we're going to pull some face framing pieces down like this. I'm going to pull this down. I'm going to put the pin on the end and stick it in. So that's what the back looks like so far. And we're going to bring some pieces up. If there's any pieces, any pins showing. We'll pull some face framing pieces down from this side. Bring this around, give it a little twist, and secure that in the back. Now, we'll just take these pieces that are left. Want it to look frizzy, or you may want it to be a casual, updo, messy updo. Tug at some of these pieces, tug at some of these pieces, tuck that under there. That feels like it needs to be a little more secure, so I'm going to Stick another pin in there. Tuck some hair over it. I'm going to face her towards the mirror. This looks like it needs to be cinched up a little bit. We're going to give her tendrils a little bit of a curl. Okay. So I'm going to give these tendrils a little curl. My curling iron's not hot enough yet. There we go. There's the back. You want symmetry back here. So I'm going to give it some symmetry. There we go. Now I'm going to get the tendrils on this side. She's got a piece of thread in her hair. Just the way she came. She was born with thread in her hair. Okay, so there she is. If this is too tendrily, you can there's the front. And in case she wants a hair doodah in there, here's her hair doodah. There we go. All right. Ta-ta!